I hope you are doing well. I hope that you are doing so well. This is me. It is dark here. Kwina Aduma. It is dark. Kwina Aduma. But we thank God for everything. It is good also to be on the other side of the up country. Yes, you can see me here. Hope you can see my eyes and my teeth. Yes. Gwihoka ona maitho makwa, my eyes, inioro riakwa, my nose, kanua gakwa, my mouth, na magego makwa, my teeth. So now I'm in Karatina, and it's quite dark here. It is quite dark, and I know you're in a new year 2025, na niturahoya Ngai. We are praying to God to help us, atuteithie gukorwo twina mwaka mwega, to have a very good year that we can continue learning, niguo tuthie na mbere na guthoma Gikuyu twi hamwe. Yes, so what do you see at night? At night we have the stars. Stars in Kikuyu is Jata. Yes, Jata. And darkness is Duma. Kwina Duma nyingi. And light, Otheri. Yes, so bring your suggestions for this year. Maundu maria ungenda uthome, the things that you want to learn in this year, those who are still working with me, learning the Kikuyu. And also remind you that we have premium classes for those who want the personalized classes. Irathi ciekuo. Kwina irathi, there are some premium classes that are paid for, and you have one-on-one sessions with me so that we can concentrate on the bits you want to learn and all that. And I know that God is going to guide us. God is going to help us. I will try my best to make content. I know I've not been making a lot of content here on YouTube, just because the machines that I am using to record are not that very good. I thought that I had one that would work, but last year it failed me and the microphone were not working. So I'm hoping that this year we are going to be together so that we can fix such things and continue having some free content here and there. So that's what I'm hoping. So wherever you can support, kindly do so. Yes, so and what else? And other things are all the suggestions of the things that you want to learn from the Kikuyu language. Bring your suggestions so that we can have good classes. So we'll be waiting on that. You can send me an email. You can get me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp now is +254718317. So I will be waiting for your suggestions for this year and continue watching. And I've actually realized that only 7% of those who watch me have subscribed. That means that 93% of you munaona vitu ya bure tu. No, it's good for you to subscribe so that we can even monetize this channel, which is not. So that's what I'm hoping for. For now, it is not monetized. So kindly make sure that you subscribe. If those 93 subscribe, it means that you have a good base and things will be okay. So make sure that you subscribe even before watching my content, and I will really appreciate as we walk through year 2025. God bless you. See you another time. Bye bye. Igora. Ai, madame sawa.